Hello everyone. Today's topic is expression evaluation. So any algebraic expression, if we have, and if we want to evaluate this expression, right? What we need to do is we can always evaluate the expression that is in the postfix form, right? First we need to make sure that our expression is in a postfix, right? If it is not in a postfix, if it is in a infix form or prefix form, we are going to convert it into postfix form, right? After converting into the postfix form, what we need to do using stack, we can evaluate that particular expression, right? So there is a one algorithm for it, right? So first I'll explain you the concept and then we'll go through the algorithm. Suppose I'm having, for example, I'm having an expression that is like postfix expression 42 $3 star 3 minus 8 4 slash 1 1 plus slash plus, right? So this is my example. I have randomly taken it, right? So what I need to do that I need to scan the character from left to right, and in a stack I need to push it, right? First, along with that, I'll explain the algorithm as well. So the first step what I need to do is I need to add any symbol, right? So if we talk about the algorithm, I'll write it over here. So add, let us say dollar, right? Dollar already we are having it over here, right? I'll skip it. Any symbol, let us say this, right? So I'm adding this symbol, right, at the end of my expression p. Suppose this expression is my p, right? So I'm adding this. That means it denotes that that's the end of the expression, right? So this, let me color it out with another color so you will get an idea. So this I'm adding it, right? Why I'm adding it? So that I'll be knowing that that's the end of my expression, right? Now the next step what I need to do is that I need to scan the character from left to right, right? One by one I need to scan it until I'll reach this character, right? So this denotes the end. So until that arrives, I need to keep on doing what are the next steps are, right? So the next is scan p from left to right until this character what I'm adding, right? Or you can say specific symbol, whatever you have added, right? So that symbol and counter, right? So that is the step. Then next what I need to do is I need to check that whether this character I'm scanning, whether it is an operator or an operand, right? If that character is operator, if that character, that element is operand, then I need to directly push it to the stack. If operand, then push to stack S, right? So suppose I'm having this stack, right? This is my stack S. So what I'm doing, this first character is 4, right? this is 4 first character, so I'm pushing it over here 4, right? Then next character, next after next element, that is also 2, right? So again, no need to think, directly you need to push it to the stack, right? S. So 4 and 2 I'm having over here. Now the next character is dollar. Dollar means power, right? So I'm having a power symbol, that means it's an operator, right? So if operator occurs, then what I need to do, then I need to pop the top 2 elements, right? So that's the first part, that pop top 2 elements, right? That is like here I'm popping out this 2 and 4, right? So this 2 and 4, right? Now this top element is my A, right? And the next top element is B, right? So here I'll mention that top element is A and the next top element is B, right? And now in the next step I need to evaluate this B operator A. You need to keep this in your mind that it's always a B operator A. So $4 2, $4 2, that means 4 power 2, and that's a 16, right? So I'm having the 16. Now next, see what I need to do. Whatever answer I'm getting over here, that I need to push. So push the result to stack S. So I'm getting the result 16 over here, so that result I am pushing it over here 16, right? Now I need to repeat the step, this third and fourth step, that is like second, third and fourth step, again and again, until this specific symbol encounters, right? So we'll scan the next element. So next element is 3, so that's an operand, so I need to just push it over here, right? Now the next element is star, right? So star, that means what, I need to pop this element, right? Pop this 2 elements, so I'm popping out this 3, that would become my A, right? And I'm popping out the 16, right? So the 16 will become my B. I need to perform B operator A, that's a 16 multiplied by 3, so that's 48. So I'm pushing this 48 over here, right? Now again we'll go ahead. So I'm having this 3, again operand, so I simply push it to the stack. Then I have a minus, that is operator. Again I need to pop this out. So if I'm popping this out, that means 3, that's my A, right? And this B is 48. I need to perform B operator A. So 48 minus 3, so I'm getting 45, that I need to push it over here again, so I'm getting this 45, right? Now next is what? Next I'm having this 8, right? Again operand, I simply push it. Next is 4, again an operand, I simply push it, right? Next I'm having this slash, that means divide symbol. I need to push the top 2 elements. Here I am having 3 elements, right? So the top 2, that means 4. So 4 would become my A, right? And 8 would become my B. I just pop it out and I need to perform B operator A, right? So this is 8, right? So 8 divided by 4, so I'm getting 2, right? So this 2 I'm pushing over here, right? Next, again I'm having an operator, that's a 1, so simply push it. Again I'm having 1, simply push it. Now again I'm having this plus, right, operator, so that's why I need to pop this 1 and 1, right? So my A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, B operator A, 1 plus 1, that's I'm getting 2, right? So this 2 I'm pushing it over here, right? Next is slash, right? So again this top two elements, right? So A is equal to 2, B is equal to 2, right? And divide, so 2 divided by 2, so I'm getting 1, so I need to push this 2, sorry, and I'm getting the answer 1, that I'm pushing it over here, right? And then I have this plus, again I need to pop this out, so I'm popping this 1 and 45, right? So here this A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 45, so B operator A, 45 plus 1, that's a 46. This is my answer, that I need to push it over here. And then next you can see that this is the symbol that denotes the end, right? Here I have decided that I kept this symbol. You can go with any other symbol, that specific symbol, so that denotes it's a end. That means whatever I'm getting over here, 46, that is my final answer for this expression. And this is the way how we can evaluate the expression, postfix expression, right? So here in this lecture I have explained you the algorithm also, like many of you might be aware of that how to do it, but when it comes about writing the algorithm, you don't know how to write it, right? So simply these are the 4 things you need to write in an algorithm, right? And you can explain it with an example, right? So it's quite easy. I hope you all understood it, right? Thank you very much.